How to set up a website for a business. A series of guides from onlinebusiness.com teaches first time website buyers how to set up a website for their business. A recent study found that 28% of small business owners don't have a website. A lack of a digital marketing strategy is affecting business results. Business owners can get to market quickly with starter sites that are ready to use and generate web traffic. Customers can purchase these sites on onlinebusiness.com's marketplace. Setting up a website is easier with ready-made solutions. Businesses can create a starter site and build an online presence easily with much effort. Michael Santiago, founder of onlinebusiness.com, said one of the goals here at onlinebusiness.com is to help educate new business owners on how to start an online business and the various ways one can start one. Our experienced team helps them navigate through common obstacles they may encounter on their journey. A starter site can fill the void left by a lack of a website, according to onlinebusiness.com. Business owners can use starter sites to quickly enter the market and establish themselves. Done-for-you starter sites and ready-made affiliate websites are coming soon to onlinebusiness.com. Find out more at onlinebusiness.com. To learn more about this story, click the link below. Subscribe to our channel for the latest news.